In order to set up the sleep mode on iPhone 17e, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now, over here in Settings, we should be able to scroll down and search for the Focus option. So once we go to Focus, you can find the sleep option in here, and if you go here for the first time, you can set it up quite easily. Just follow the instructions that you will see on the screen, and this is how the menu looks like. You can of course configure the sleep focus, and you can decide, for example, which apps and who can interrupt you during the sleep focus. You can add people and apps in here. You can find additional options by, for example, showing silence notifications on the lock screen, and so on and so forth. You can customize this screen in order to immediately recognize when the sleep mode is activated. We can also apply focus filters and so on and so forth. And if you want to activate the sleep mode, you can do so, for example, via Control Center. You can find the focus button, which you can tap on, and here we can tap on the sleep button to turn it on or turn it off, just like that. You can tap on these three dots in order to also jump to Settings. And if the focus button has this bed icon, you can tap on that icon to enable and disable the sleep mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.